Good day, everyone. My name is Ahmed Saleh Al-Balushi. Let's go and analyze Bitcoin for the last status. Now, what I want to share with you over here is just, first of all, I need to share with you, I want to tell you the status of Bitcoin since its creation, which is 2010. If we go through this chart, this is actually the Bitcoin index, just for those who don't know, this is the Bitcoin index, all right? So if you notice, we started it from 12th July 2010, yeah? And there was one bear market here on 2011, but we will not count it because I want to focus on the charts with the 200 moving average. Why? Because I want to show you why the 200 moving average on the weekly chart is very important. If you just notice over here, this is a bear market on 2013, end of 2013, which was like November and December 2013 until almost October 15, 2015. So we have almost 630 days or more or less, 660 days actually. We were in a bear market, but just note one thing, that the bottom was on the 200 moving average and it bounced back. And again, if you note that it is trading above the 20 moving average day, 20-day moving average. Okay, just note one thing, that this is the green one, which is the 20. The yellow one is the 50. The blue one is the 100, and the red one is 200-day moving average. So these 20, 50, 100, and 200 days, these are my measurement to know where is Bitcoin going, especially for the investors, not for the scalpers, but for the investors. Why? Because you will know where you should quit, or at least take some of your profits. So if you are trading from here or here, so at least you can go out from here or here at least before it goes the complete bear market. Okay, so this is number one. So if we go now to the current status of Bitcoin, we will see that it is trading below 50. Yeah, didn't reach 100, didn't reach 200. But if you note one thing also, that the 100 days moving average is on 30, 29.30, and the 200 is on almost 19.20. Now, 19,000 and 20,000 here, 29,000 and 30,000. Now, the thing over here is that this moving average will move on also. Maybe it will go up a little, something like this, see? Maybe it will go just slowly or rapidly. So it depends on the move of the candles. Now, if you note one thing, that here it returned back from the 200. And again on 2018, 17th until 18th, 19th, the bear market over here, again, it bounced back from the 200. This is a corona pandemic, and it just went for a few weeks and bounced back very fast. I cannot count this as a bear market because this was a special case. So I will continue that it's going on a bullish trend. See now here, over here, when it went below 20 days, so it gives us a sign, especially not only with this one, even the RSI here. It's telling me that I'm going down. Here it is bullish, then it's telling you that I'm going down, especially here, when it's trading below 50 of the RSI. So you know that 30, 50 and 70, 30 is the bottom, so you can just start buying. 50 is the place that you need to break it, and 70 is the maximum. So this is oversold and this is overbought. 30 is oversold and 70 is overbought. So you give the RSI gives you indicators when to quit and when to stay. Yeah, don't pay attention for this one. We're not focusing on the RSI now. But here, when say it's going down the RSI, so you need to make sure that you quit somewhere here or here before it goes so too far for you. So here it's like 62 almost. Yeah. So you need to quit over here. When it goes below the 20, just quit or take at least 50% of your profits. Then you can take it again when it reaches the 200 moving average. The same over here. See, especially when it crosses, you see the green one, the green line crosses the 50. This is confirmation that it is going bearish, or at least you need to quit here. And here, this is again, it is crossing the 20, crossing the 50, so it's again bullish. And as I said, as far as it is trending over the 20, you don't have any issue, something like this one also. Yeah. And again, here on May when it went down again, as I said, that it bounced back on the 50, but now see it is trading this week, is trading below 50. I hope this is a good sign. I hope that this will close back and go bullish to the top, so I'll pass again the 50 moving average. This is very important week for us, but let's wait for that. Anyway, my theory, we'll go for daily and let's just analyze Bitcoin and where is it exactly. Yeah, number one, if you notice one thing, this is the 64, the last before the 69 and 67, there was a 64, you know, and May drop down. It's not one thing. Yeah, I'll talk about it. And it should be on at least 40 or 39, 7, 800, something like that. It should be somewhere here. Somewhere here. Yeah, and the place that it's trended back. It pulled back over here, and I hope it will pull back forever. All right. So this is a place that should, or here, let's say here. Yeah, this is a good place. Now, 1, 2, 3. Bearish, bullish, bearish, and again bullish. All right, great. But it has to be like this, and again up. So it has to be uptrend as per the Bitcoin normal moving. So let's see this now. Number one, I'll show you something. This one, I hope you can see this. This, they call it cheat sheet. Yeah, this is a trading cheat sheet. Why? Because this is how Wyckoff analyze, or the Wyckoff theory of price analysis. It's exactly going on the cheat sheet, the trading cheat sheet. If you notice over here, this is an accumulation area, then markup, reaccumulation area, then again markup. This is break the trend and it went up. But here, this is a distribution area. Especially that with the RSI, we know that it's a distribution area and it might go down anytime. So this is a selling area, or at least sell part of your trade. Just take 30, 40, 50% of your profits. Then it went down. Then here we call it redistribution area. So marking down. See over here, this was a buy low sell. Here it was a low area. This was an entry point for anyone to buy the coin, regardless of Bitcoin or any other coin. Now here, when it went up, distribution area went down, redistribution area, then again the last one, accumulation area, and then up. Again, accumulation, reaccumulation, maximum, distribution, went down, redistribution, went down for the last time, then I again started accumulating. They're accumulating here as well, but only to prepare to go down one more time. Yeah. Now, remember this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to Bitcoin. Watch this. Accumulation area. Distribution area. And now this is because it has to be in, yeah. Okay. So this is again reaccumulation area. And then we have again redistribution area. Okay. So this is distribution area, accumulation area, reaccumulation. It has to be a small one actually. Yeah. And this is the distribution area, redistribution area. Yeah. And then we have the final one, again, accumulation area, which should be somewhere over here, where it has to just play around. I don't know for how long, but after that should bounce back to the top. Again, see, just go back to the Wyckoff price cycle or the cheat sheet. 1 over here. Then we have reaccumulation, reaccumulation. Then we have the distribution area, the distribution area. Then we have the redistribution area, the redistribution area. And this is the, again, accumulation area where you have to buy. Yeah, it should go back up. If it went down, then we have to recalculate our analysis. Anyway, if we see this, why I'm saying this, you note that when it was going up over here, the RSI was giving you a signal that it is falling down, which means that the volume is going down. And therefore, we supposed to quit somewhere over here. But if you didn't quit, you're supposed to quit here because it was at the bottom. Here, somewhere here on 60, 62, somewhere like that, when it just passed the 20 moving average, or at least sell 50% of your trade. So take some profits. So when it went down over here on 200, bounced back, but now it's below 200. Yeah, and this is the point over here. Now, but as per our analysis, it's supposed to bounce back. This is the last place and should bounce back from here. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope it was clear for you. Don't forget to share your ideas or thoughts or comments with me. And before that, please subscribe and activate the bell. So in the future, when I want to share some videos with you, you will be or notified about them. Let me just tell you this. Bitcoin, as per the weekly, or as per my knowledge, I'm a tech guy. I'm a person who is expert in technology, especially in the industry 4.0, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and blockchain, Internet of Things. Blockchain is something that I spend lots of time on it, and I know that this is the future of technology. It is actually the fifth industrial revolution, and it will change the shape of the world. All the projects that are relying on blockchain, they will reshape the future. And that's why I believe a lot in the crypto market. not because it's only one aspect of the blockchain, but overall, the blockchain will control the future, and everybody knows this. All the technical people and those big investors, they know this. Therefore, I will tell you that this market, inshallah, will stay, and you will see miracles in the future. You just give it some time, and you will see that how it will reform and reshape the future. Thank you very much, and please don't forget, as I said, to subscribe and share your comments so I know how can I enhance the future videos, because I'm planning to post more and more videos, especially on how you do a proper technical analysis on the chart. Thank you very much and have a nice day.